Hello and welcome to Microwave Me. Captain Microwave wishes all of his mateys a happy 4th of July. For today, I'm going to bring freedom and democracy to the microwaving world by blowing it up with this awesome little tank. Now, what's more American than a tank blowing things up? A tank blowing things up in a microwave. And here for this awesome microwaving once again is Jareth, the Kenmore BEAST of a microwave. Open them up. Stick in the tank. Shut the door. And once again, 7:04. Let's get microwaving. This is one I'm going to start with the remote arm. This episode was a total dud. Not even tinfoil could get it to go. So consider this a piece of bonus footage. If I was going to give this a verdict, I would give it shitty idea.